What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Bree, and I'm back once again with another video. Hey, and I'm back to make some shimmery mist. I don't joke me. I know my hair look crazy, but I just took my hair off, my wig off. So this is what you're gonna get, all natural. So the blue one is mango. Y'all just see how it looks. It smells wonderful. See? Mango. I told y'all the blue is mango and these two are pina colada.
Pina.
So the yellow is pineapple and it match it real good. Pineapple. So the purple one also is pineapple. So we're gonna call this pineapple perk. Pineapple perk. This one is tropical punch. And I like how it look already. Tropical punch. So the black one is also tropical punch. Y'all just want to add in, make sure you shop with me. The link will be in the description down below. I know y'all seen in previous videos already, but I have lip glosses. Also have taught you some lashes. So yeah, this is the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and turn that notification bell on. Subscribe as well, and thank you for watching. This is products made by me. Like if you get a gloss, you can have it match your spray bottle. Purple. And that's cute, y'all. It's so cute and unique. Like you pick what you